your smile. TWT, don't touch that dial. Kick your feet up and relax for a while. The only thing we really wanna do is see you smile. The only thing
Hi guys, so I have been sick. I probably still look sick. My eyes probably, and you can just tell something's a little different. Anyways, we've had a chest cold the last week or so. The opening of the video, I was showing you guys the latest grill to our collection, which is a pellet grill. Today I'll be testing out the pellet grill with some pork loin roast that I've had brining overnight in a combination of cider vinegar, chili powder, onion powder, cloves, and also kosher salt, pepper, and I think a little bit of cumin. So they're in the refrigerator in the house, still soaking, and I'm just waiting for the grill to get to temperature. And yeah, just hoping this chest cold kind of goes away, guys. It's been a couple of weeks. So that's where we've been right now in vlog time. I think today is the 19th. If I am wrong, I will come back to you guys. But I think that's the day we're on today. And yeah, right now we're still in the midst of getting all of our Dubai footage up, which is quite lengthy. So I think right now just the spice soup footage has gone up. Anyways, guys, I'll come back to you once we get to temperature on the grill and I'm able to put our pork loin roast on. So there's the pork loins there. They've been brining. You can see my whole cloves and you can see the onions, some of the seasonings there, which is the cumin, the onion powder, cider vinegar, chili powder. I think I have garlic powder and jalapeno seasoning in there. So a pretty flavorful brine. I'm going to pour that off and get ready to put these bad boys on the grill. There we are. You can see a little bit of smoke pluming up. Looks like that we have reached temperature by the outside. It's just about a 300, almost 325. I might reduce that, but we're ready to go. Ready for our pork loin to go on the grill. There we have it, guys. There we have it. You can hear them sizzling. They're ready to go. I'm going to close up my grill. And I'm going to let these guys cook down for at least probably about 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm thinking should do it. Hopefully I don't overcook them. I'll be back out to check on them. But they're sizzling. Sounds good. Alright, guys. So I've reduced my temperature to about 250. Temperature more appropriate for a slow smoke because pork tenderloin can get really tough. It's not as fatty as a pork butt roast. So I am, when you don't have that fat to render, your meat can really dry out. So I have reduced my temperature to 250. I'll be back out in an hour or so, maybe a couple hours to double check the pork roast to make sure that they're not drying out. I have reduced my temperature to a temperature that's more conducive to a slow smoking temperature, which is 250. Alright guys, we'll be back later to see how these turn out. I'm excited. Anyways, I had to pull the grill in. It's looking like a little suspect. This Florida weather, man, and we are getting close to rainy season. Please excuse my messy lanai. But I'm going to show you guys the sky's not looking too kosher right now. So, very ominous looking out here. It's about to go down. But that's not in my plans for today. So, got the grill in here. Nice and safe under the lanai. So I'm excited to show you guys what I'm working with today. I'm going to give you guys some good pork loin footage here. Look at that. And I mean, they're nice and juicy, beautiful grill marks. We are in business here. Might be on to something with this pellet grill, guys. I'm loving it. The temperature has been steady for a nice slow smoke. Look at that. So I'm gonna take those off and I'm gonna let them rest, and I'm gonna get a good shot of them and then chop them up once they've had some time to cool, and get them plated for you guys to see how beautiful they turned out. I hope they taste as good as they look. All right, guys. I just realized I took all those pictures and I didn't show you guys the end result. It's really tender. On some of them you could see a smoke ring. I've added water because I got to keep it warm in the oven. And that's just my way of keeping my meat from drying out. But look at that. Nice and tender. Nice smoke ring. Beautiful. I would definitely use the pellet grill again. We got some rice and beans going. And I'll get it plated up and take a nice picture of you guys for the end of the video. I would definitely use the pellet grill again. Looks amazing. Alright guys. Catch you guys next time we're on the pellet grill.